Roddick from Rvisual has reached out to me to give you, the community, the ultimate pack of transitions and sound effects. We're looking at 100 sound effects and transitions that work together, as well as the Real Buddy. So there's a nice little combination going on here. And Roddick, he doesn't just want to give one person something. He's offering 3 amazing prizes, plus everybody is going to get a free pack of transitions. But you have to stick around to the end of the video so you can get all of the information you need to enter the giveaway, as well as learn how to get the free pack from Rvisual. But before we get into all that, let's go ahead and check out some of these transitions in an actual video and see how it goes. Check this reel out. Those transitions and sound effects were absolutely amazing. They were so easy to use. Just drag and drop and put them right on there. Everything worked out flawlessly. And I want to give a special thanks to both Artlist and Motion Array for providing me the stock footage as well as the music for that video. And in an upcoming video, I want to show you how to make your own show reel using only stock footage. So be sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn those notifications on. Now, important information about this pack. We are currently, at the time of this video, only 65 transitions and sound effects into it. However, Roddick is going to bring this all the way up to 100. We're in the beta phase right now, but everything is working perfect for DaVinci Resolve 19. And even if you get the full pack right now, you'll still be able to get all of the new transitions coming out all the way up to 100 transitions and sound effects. So let's go to www.rvisual.store and check out what we have available right now. All right, so let's check out his website. We're going to go ahead and click on Discover Our Products. And as you can see, it pops up with the Ultimate Pack. And let's take a look inside and see what is in the Ultimate Pack. So as you can see, there are 13 different packs, and within them, at this current time, there are 65 transitions, which are going to go up to 100. And you can also get the Real Buddy, which is awesome to help you with your vertical or short form videos. So one of the awesome things that Roddick is doing, he's giving you free updates. And so what does that mean? When he makes those updates and releases new transitions, you'll get them for free, no monthly fees, and it's just a one-time payment. I mean, how awesome is that? This guy is doing everything for you. For the Ultimate Pack, if you want to get that, it is only $49.99. I mean, come on, you're getting 100 transitions and 100 sound effects that match each other. I'm going to go over that and show you that in a minute. So let's go ahead and click on transitions as well. So as you can see, the different types of transitions are here. If you want to buy them individually, each pack is only $5 and they come with at least 5 transitions and 5 sound effects. So now that we've seen what these 3 different things are, let's talk about what those 3 prizes are. So for the third prize, if you win, you will be able to get one of these transition packs. You get to choose whichever one you want. And for second prize, you get to choose 2 of these amazing packs. But of course, there is the grand prize, and the grand prize does include everything, the Ultimate Pack. So if you win the first prize overall, you're getting the Ultimate Pack with everything in it, including every transition, all the way up to 100 of them, and you're also getting the Real Buddy, which, I mean, just the Real Buddy itself would be worth it. This thing is so awesome as well. But hey, how about we hop into DaVinci Resolve real quick and check some of these things out. So I want to start with my favorite transition out of all of them, which is the glitch rewind. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what that is like. So as you can see, that's what it was like, but I need to show you how it was without it so you can really get the full grasp of what it is. So let me go ahead. I'm just going to select that one and I'm going to delete it. And then we're going to watch that again without the glitch. And now that is how it looked. Now let me go ahead and add it back on there. So to add all of these on there, what we do is we come up to our effects and we're going to go ahead to our video transitions. And when you come down to our Rvisual store, you can hit this drop down menu and you'll be able to see all of these right here. So for this specifically, I'm looking for the glitch transitions, and then I'm going to, let me just drag this over so we can see better. And then I'm going to find rewind. This was that, and I just drag it, can drop it right onto there, and just like that, it has been put on there. Now, every one of these also has its own sound effects. And now what I've done is I've set it up in my power bins. If you need to learn how to create your power bins, go ahead and check this video above, but let me show you how I have it set up in mine. So I'm going to go into media pool. I'm going to go into my power bins. Let me find my sound effects, and I set it up here in this folder, which I set these folders up. But first, let's go into my glitch. I'm going to double click that, and then we can find, so right here is the sound effect for that. I can just drag it, go right to the location it's at, drop it on right at the beginning of that transition, make sure it all lines up. Let's go ahead and zoom in on the timeline and see. And as you can see, it just lines up perfectly, and the sound works exactly as I need it. So let me go ahead and turn that sound on for you. So now let's go ahead and see how that is with the audio together. It's just so awesome. Okay, so let's just go ahead real quick and take a look at some more of these transitions. So now I'm back here. I've clicked on the Rvisual store, so you can see each of them in this way if you want to, or you can just go ahead and check them here. If you hover over any one of them, you can just go ahead and view what it would look like. So there's bounce, here's the power. He has some really awesome zoom transitions. So let's see, this is the digital zoom, distortion, elastic. I mean, he really came up with some great ideas and just keeps improving on them. I believe there was 3 different sets of zooms that he created. So you have like the lens type things, you know, you have those digital distortions, and you have the bounce and spins and stuff like that. Which is, I mean, there's just so many. Yeah, it's so hard to choose from. They're just that awesome. So flat transitions, we have the fade transitions. All right, so I've gone ahead and pulled up that section of the timeline where I edited that video together. And as you can see, all of the sound effects, all of the transitions were all just from this pack. They're just absolutely amazing, and I can't be more thankful to Roddick for what he's doing for all of you. All right, so let's take a quick look at the Real Buddy. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this down because what I've done is change this timeline specifically into vertical video. So now to use the Real Buddy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an adjustment clip. So I'm going to come up here to Effects. So I'm going to type in here, adjustment clip. We're going to select on Toolbox. I'm going to grab that. I'm just going to drag this down onto, a new video layer, and then I can extend it from my entire video. Then I'm going to go ahead and start typing in Reel, R-E-E-L, and that's going to bring up the Real Buddy. I'm going to grab that. I'm going to drag it and drop it right onto that adjustment clip. And now, as you can see, it has created this overlay. So let's go ahead and see what kind of adjustments we can make with that. Close off those effects so we could just look over here, and we'll drag this timeline down as we already can see everything there. All right, so now over here we have these different guides, and we can pick different social media. So there's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. As you can see, it has created this little 1x1 square. Now that's up to you if that's the way you want to edit any of your vertical video, but we can always come down here to frame. We'll select that, and as you can see, they have different aspect ratios. So if you want to keep it as a 16:9, you can do that. Or if you want to go custom, you can create your own custom size. And the way to do that is right here. We have this custom width. We can go ahead and bring it in if you want. Custom height, we can bring that down and up a little bit. What I did to create mine is I've just brought this down a little bit somewhere around here, and then I'm able to use this frame center and drag it up. So then this way I have most of my video is up a little bit high, and there is going to be a little cutoff there. Then we also have these guides. As you can see under guides, we can go ahead and drag the safe area over, and you can see basically where your safe area is going to be at. And then there's also your frame overlay, so you can see exactly where your video is going to be. And you can also work with the opacity for each of them. So go ahead and drag that down and up if you needed to. And you can bring, you can bring both of them up and down as you need to. Then let's go ahead and check on our transform. Now transform is going to allow you to adjust the size of your video within that. And remember, if you move it off, just go ahead and click that little dot and it'll bring it right back to where it was. Then there's center if you need to move it over or whatever you want to do. Just going to Command Z, bring that back, and let's go ahead and check back. Now, the background will also allow you to work within. Let me go back to 1 by 1, so that way you can see more on the background what's going there. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that safe area, and now let's go ahead and mess with this vignette strength. So as you can see, what he's done is created this so it extends beyond that, and then you can go ahead and adjust how much your blur you're going to be, how big the size is, and the opacity. So maybe you just want it black, you want it in there. Maybe you want to blur it out a lot, just a little bit, but you get full control of all of this. I'm just going to go ahead, reset all of that. So now you might have to make adjustments to your video to get it to line up exactly where you want. And what you might want to do for that is, like, say, for example, we're going to do YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and do the custom. Now I'm going to have to reframe something. So let me just go here where he skydived. What I'll do is I'll click on that video, and I specifically will go ahead and make adjustments here to center it or move it wherever it needs to. As you can see, I've already done that, as you see where all the keyframing positions and things are, to keep it in the middle. And of course, you can always use DaVinci Resolve's Smart Frame. However, I did it manually, but their Smart Frame can sometimes work amazingly. And so that's the real buddy. I want to know, of all these things, which one do you like the most? Go ahead and leave me a comment below about that. And now let's go ahead and discuss about the awesome giveaway. Okay, so I said if you wait until the end of the video, you're going to get all the information you need. So we're going to be looking close to the end of October or possibly early November for the live stream giveaway of this product. I want to get this to as close as possible to the full 100 transitions and sound effects. This way we can check them out in the live stream, see how things are, and have fun doing the giveaway. And I also said if you stick around until the end, I'm going to tell you how you can get your free pack. And you can go ahead down in the description, there's a link, or you can just put this one right here in and go to the website to get your free pack. So what you need to do to enter this contest is give this video a thumbs up, be a subscriber, and you need to go ahead and comment down below Rvisual. That is Rvisual. That's how you enter. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.